Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you have recently downloaded Gcash application and you're getting an error while logging into the application that your Gcash cannot open because there is a developer option, the unknown sources downloading option is on, and you need to fix that. So how are you going to fix that? Watch this video till the end and let's find out. So if I go to the Gcash application, I will open it and show you that how that problem looked like. So as you can see, there is a message that you need to change some settings. I will open it one more time to make you see that. As you can see, this message appears and then suddenly the application crashes out. So how are you going to fix it? You need to go to the setting of your phone. Once you are at the settings, all you need to do is to search here developer option. This one you need to tap on here, and once you tap on this one, you need to disable this one. You need to off it. Once you off it, now I will go back to the application again. I will open it again, and now as you can see, now it is fixed. Now you can just tap on OK and create an account. So guys, this is how you can fix this issue. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.